Good morning. Last full day before we fly out tomorrow. Time for coffee. Hola!
Welcome to the jungle.
Yeah, that was, what, like $7?
No. Well, 200 is $5.
Oh, so that was super cheap.
Yeah, like
Ooh,
350.
man. I didn't realize I haggled her down that much. Yikes. Well, we just haggled a poor old gal down to,
Me?
like
No,
$3 for a baby dress. Didn't realize I haggled her down that much. But she took it, so. Oh. So, hi, kitty. What is this? Oh, kitty. Oh, I didn't want to do a tequila tasting to begin with. I'm not heartbroken that the guy didn't show up in tequila. I'm a little bit upset. Who am I kidding?
Alright.
Egrets. Oh, I love egrets.
So you lead the way.
I should probably. I think it should be noted, anywhere here in Mexico on the beaches that you go, you don't have to pay for anything. I mean, you can just go plop down like these people right underneath the bridge, hang out, enjoy the day, the water for free, or you can rent an umbrella, which a lot of people do. We did one in Sayulita for $15 for all day, and it was really nice. We didn't stay all day, that's for sure. But I think the best way to do beach access is to find a restaurant with a table, hang out. Right here we have beach access. We are right next to the beautiful pier. We have delicious drinks and a table, and
People.
yeah, and we get a people watch. It's beautiful. And the best part is that it is only costing us our drinks. Worth it.
Or absolutely.
Okay, and now the downside of having a table on the beach is that you get constant pestering from beach people, which I understand, they're trying to make their living, I get it, but man, it gets tough, but all you have to do is just be firm. Just say no gracias or shake your hand at them, and they just walk off. It's fine. No big deal. No harm, no foul. 6. Yeah.
14.
14. Ugh, 15. Dang it. Dang it. Oh no.
That's
16. Dang that.
26.
30.
Killed. 4.
9. No! Oh, no gracias. ¿Me do uno? ¿Cuántos cuesta?
150.
Whoa, look at those! Gracias! Wow, there's a lot of them too. And they have the little sauce dishes. You might have to grab one of those. Are you good with? Well.
Yeah. Spicy mango?
Is that what that is?
Just finger it loose?
Yeah. Finger it loose. Can I have some? No. I would have wiggled it before, but... This must be like a...
Señorita.
Cheers. Worcester. Those were awesome. Thank you. Debearding, I believe they call it that. So last time we were here, the guys near our beach who were selling the oysters, we had a few cervezas and asked them oh so kindly if I could shuck some of the oysters. He took the knife away from me because he was scared I was going to stab myself. I am not good at it, so that's an art. I don't even care who you are. That's amazing. Those are super good. That was exactly what I wanted. Disculpe. Katie? It's so hot.
I asked Eva where we're going. To our hotel. It's the other way.
Look, I got a little lost.
Let's turn around.
I don't know. It's the heat. I can't be trusted. But it is freaking hot. So drink your electrolyte drinks. And water.
Margaritas?
No.
Yeah.
That did me dirty last time. And these little guys are hilarious. I love egrets the most. They're just funny. That and those freaking crazy ducks. Alrighty, our final night in Puerto Vallarta. Our final night in Mexico. And we are gonna go back down to the Malecon. We were gonna do a fancy dinner, but you know what? We're not those people. Even though, look at how handsome he looks. And I'm in gym clothes again. And I did get sunburned today. That's pretty good, seeing as we've been here for over a week. And this is the first time I've burned. So, Mom, if you're watching, yeah, I got it. So, again, instead of a fancy dinner, we are going to go.
Brewery.
We're gonna go to a brewery because that's one of our favorite things to do when we're in different areas. Irish pub, brewery. Yeah, huh? Oh, that was pretty sweet.
You'll have to go right, but it's in the next block. Take a right and go one block down.
You guys got that?
Or we can take a right now.
We are leaving the, what is this called? Monzone Brewery, and it was awesome. Really cool people.
Got to play with dogs.
Got to play with dogs. It was just like a brewery back home, so we had a lot of fun. I'm tired and worn out. Well, I'm tired, so this is us signing off for the night. Good night, buenas noches, and
Buenos nachos.
hasta luego.